Hi, my name is Matt McGlynn, and this is a natural resource overview of Yellowstone bison. Today's date is March 17th, 2018, and this recording is brought to you from Glassboro, New Jersey. The resource that we're looking at, as mentioned previously, was the Yellowstone bison. The topic is the need for the wildlife management plan of Yellowstone bison. There are two sides to this argument. Without population control, bison will overgraze and deplete grasslands, putting the entire population, as well as other animals, at risk. On the contrary, others view this as an issue because slaughter will have ecological consequences for other wildlife and is viewed as inhumane. The location of these Yellowstone bison is evidently in Yellowstone National Park, which is predominantly in Wyoming, but also is in Montana and Idaho as well. The background of this natural resource overview is that bison have been overhunted pretty much since Europeans first arrived in North America. In 1902, there were only 24 bison left in Yellowstone National Park. However, today the population has been growing ever since, but park's borders have not. Montana treats bison differently than other wildlife, which adds a little bit of complexity to this issue. In addition, hunting is banned inside the park. However, bison are captured and slaughtered for Native American tribes. The slaughter of bison and the culling of the herd is controversial to many different groups. Animal rights groups have proposed relisting Yellowstone bison as an endangered species. The habitat of Yellowstone National Park. The soil is a series of shallow, excessively drained different soils. It's very granular from 1 to 6 inches. The vegetation of Yellowstone National Park is actually a combination of Rocky Mountain species as well as Great Plains species. The specific variety depends on the exact area that you're looking at. Some of the other vegetation inside the park includes wildflowers. Trees include conifers, junipers, Douglas fir, aspen, and cottonwood. The land also has a lot of sagebrush on it, Ross bent grass, sand verbena, and wild buckwheat. Those are varieties of different grasses, many of which the bison eat. Other wildlife on the land includes 300 different species of birds, 16 species of fish, 6 species of reptiles, and 67 species of mammals. Today, the policy for bison in Yellowstone National Park is set by 8 different agencies, known as the Interagency Bison Management Plan. Their target population for Yellowstone bison is currently 3,000. This is problematic because bison and humans compete for the same habitat, and the Yellowstone bison are not confined to Yellowstone National Park and are able to migrate on and off the park as there is no fence. There is a need for a new bison management plan because new information is available about bison biology, disease prevalence, and public tolerance for bison in Montana has grown. The references for this assignment and this presentation are as follows. Much of this information was obtained through the National Park Service website, as well as an animal activist group website and the Fish and Wildlife Service. Thank you.